This lesson is all about neuroplasticity. So neuroplasticity describes how the brain can change its structure in response to experiences, and this includes when we learn something. When we learn something, brain cells called neurons fire together, creating connections or electrochemical pathways. These pathways get stronger and stronger when we keep practicing the skill again and again. We can think of it like creating a path through long grass. When we first walk through the grass, we create a path that is barely visible, but as we walk through it again and again, it becomes more and more established. This is why when we first learn something, we might find it really difficult, but with lots of practice, we become increasingly confident with the skill. For example, when we first learn our times tables, we might find it difficult to recall even the most basic facts. But as we repeat them again and again, we start to be able to recall facts with ease.